Hello, my name is MacKenzie Pfeifer, and I am a graduate student within the Global Field Program within Project Dragonfly, completing my Master's of Arts degree in biology at Miami University. Welcome to my personal video within my capstone portfolio, Conservation Crossing Cultural Lines. I come from a very data-heavy science background. I work collecting data on protected species like this humpback whale, as well as the whale shark data manager for the Vermilion Sea Institute. I work both within the industry side of science as well as the citizen science side of things. However, I was intrigued by the interdisciplinary and intersectional nature of Project Dragonfly. It's part of what attracted me to the program. On my first Earth expeditions trip to Belize, I had an experience that had the greatest impact on my path within the program. That was when we were visiting the community baboon sanctuary. That experience was incredibly moving and highlighted the importance of humans and cultures within conservation. It was incredible not only to see what this community had done to come together to protect the baboons, but also to help each other and preserve their culture. While in the Galapagos Islands, working with the MOLA's youth program, as well as the marine focus of the course, really inspired me for my Biology in the Age of Technology class, as well as my Authorship Leadership Challenge assignment, to write a grant to help VSI, the Vermilion Sea Institute, continue to involve youth in research in Bahia de Los Angeles. If I receive this grant, I will be able to donate a YSI unit to add water quality measurements to the work that we do with both our community science as well as the Aventureros program. The Earth Expeditions course in Namibia was an eye-opener for me on the impacts of colonization on conservation. Hearing from the global partners about the horrors that happened on Waterberg and then seeing how it got turned into a conservation area really hammered home the importance of listening to Indigenous voices on conservation issues, not only protecting land, but as well as the human-wildlife conflict, which was a huge portion of that course. Bringing it back into my own community, I learned how to foster connections with organizations working towards change. I continue to be active in these groups, and I'm always working towards bringing conservation issues to the forefront, not just for conservation's sake, but because these issues impact the health, livelihoods, and happiness of everyone within my community.